Okay guys, so let's do some magic on Snapchat to make your Snapchat account private. So while there is no particular button that you can toggle on Snapchat that will instantly make your Snapchat account private, you can turn off some settings on your Snapchat account that can only make your Snapchat available to some selected users. So here I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat private on Android as well as on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to launch your Snapchat application and click on the profile icon at the top right to go to your Snapchat profile. While on the profile, click on the settings icon at the top right. And once you selected that, there are a few options here that you can actually play around with to make sure your Snapchat account is made private. Now scroll down to privacy control. Under privacy control, you need to make 3 settings possible for this to work. Then click on contact me. Once you hit the contact me button, the first thing you want to do is you want to choose friends. So the moment you choose friends, you see a pop-up that says turn off availability for contact to reach me. Then click on OK button. The essence of this is no one will be able to send a direct message to you on Snapchat except your friends. And if they do, you'll be contacted that someone is trying to snap you on Snapchat or share with you that is not actually on your friend list. So this is the first feature you want to turn on. The next thing is you want to come to view my story. This is still under privacy control. Select view my story and make sure you select only friends. So that shows only your friends can view your story on Snapchat. And you can also choose custom to select some selected friends that can see your story on Snapchat. But if you want all your friends to see your stories on Snapchat, you want to make sure you select friends only. The last thing you want to do to make your Snapchat private is click on see me in quick add. Then shows that and make sure you check show me in quick add. So uncheck that. Once you uncheck that, your name or your Snapchat name will not be suggested on quick add on the Snapchat platform. And with this, your Snapchat account will be made private. So these are the 3 steps. That you need to take to make your Snapchat account private on Android as well as on iPhone. So if this is helpful, you want to hit like, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.